Hi guys, welcome back to the DataNest. So the previous video, so we have seen the installation part one. So this video we'll see about the part two, like so the SQL Server installation center. So in this page, so that we will get some planning, installation, maintenance tools, resources, advanced options. This all things we have, but mainly when we need to install the SSMS in the local machine or remote server. So anything. Uh, Mainly we will prefer installation. So this tab, after this tab, so we'll go and we'll see about the new SQL Server standalone installation. So here, so when we click on this, so it will go to the another page, and also the inside features like user credentials and authentication, authorization, so those things. Hope it's taking few seconds. Yeah, so another page is open, so we'll go and see here is the page install setup files. So here we have the so many tabs like so global rules, product updates, install setup, install rules, installation type, edition, license terms. So here we have. So when we give the next, actually currently it is in install rules. So there is Windows firewall is warning. There is one warning message. Remaining all is passed. So then we can go to the next and installation type. So that we have the perform a new installation SQL Server 2025. This we can select. So this all are came because I have downloaded. That is the purpose. It is coming. So you can please ignore this one and you can go with the next. And now you can go with edition. So the I told about the edition like enterprise edition we have, standard edition we have, express edition we have, evolution edition we have. So currently you can go through on the standard edition, that is. And next license, next tab license, so you accept it. And next, so here you have the Azure extension for SQL Server and user service principal. So these two we have, and start for free. So currently we can start for the free. Next. So yeah, so here is the main part, feature selection. Like so the here, so when we click on the database engine services, SQL Server, see here instance features like, so which one you have to use, like database engine and SQL Server replication, AI services, that specifically we can select. Like so here my case SQL Server, database engine I'm selecting. Next, so see I am not selecting anything at all because the integration services, the machine should important for the SQL Server integration part, that is SSIS, and so analysis service SSAS, and SQL Server replication it's so DBA part, admin part, and AI, so that is inbuilt. Like so we can select that one. It will come to the feature and add to the SQL Server. Like so it's complete. I selected my case database engine services and I'm going next. So the next is feature rules. So here named instance. So like so the which type of name you can give, like instance name it will take. So MS SQL will give, MS SQL will give currently, and after that go to the next. Yeah. So again server configurations has been given. So here grant perform volume maintenance. This click here details SQL Server database engine. This privilege enables instance file initialization by avoiding zeroing of data pages. So currently we I hope so this is not required. So we need to practice purpose we required. But SQL Server agent, you can see SQL Server database engine, SQL Server browser. This is manual. We kept this is manual, or this is we can kept automatic. This is we can kept automatic. Why? Because of the database automatic. We required main SQL Server database engine. We required main. So that is we kept on automatic. Or after that, so we'll go to the database engine configuration. Yeah, so here this is also very important. Why? Because of authentication mode. Like so we say generally will see about the two types of authentications, like the Windows authentication and mixed mode authentication. Like you can give username, password, or whatever it may be. Server configuration, data directories, tempdb, maxdp, memory, file stream. So this is regards about the like so the we can keep about the data growth, so that is the purpose. And this is parallelism and tempdb. You must know about the tempdb. Because of tempdb all data like so we can use about the temporarily like so the we can create the temp tables on the table data will store in this tempdb. So data directories, so these all are paths. So currently so the we given like this. So and we'll go to the next page. Missing system administration account, please. Okay, so then I will use Windows authentication mode. Then I don't want this one. See, there are validation errors on this page. Click on, see, it is asking the mixed mode. So okay, I given the password, so whatever I need. Okay, add current user. See, this is already we have add current user. This is already we have. So I'm using that one only. I am not using another one, or else I'm using that one only. See here, so up to now what we have to do. So once you came up to this page, you can give installation. Okay, so in my case I already installed the SQL Server. I am not going to install this one. So I just shown to you like up to now you can use it, like so you can refer this one and you can install the SQL Server. This is part 2. So once you click on the install, it will install. And okay, so this one is completed. You close this one. So install the SQL Server management. So this is also we have to install. See, this is also one of the important. See, this is also one of the important thing we have to install this one. So SQL, install SQL Server management tools and install SQL Server data tools. This two is very important. You can install this one main. Launch and download. So this one download means we can use the SSMS. How we can use the SSMS, I will show to you. Like so, see, first step in the installation, we have to complete this step, and another we have to install this one. So both is completed. After that, like this, the page will open.